how to use trade tokens in Clash Royale. So mainly you can use these trade tokens directly in the shop and also in your clan. But first, you over here, you go ahead and scroll down into your trader, and as you can see, depends on what kind of cards are available to be able to trade. So in the bottom, you're gonna have to choose which cards you are going to give and get rid of your inventory and the cards you will get from doing so. So depending on what line of cards are available, it's gonna use up that specific rarity of token. So right now there are rare cards, so it's gonna take off one selling gold token once we accept a trade. So it's currently available 5 hours, so it's gonna switch into different kinds of cards depending on its rarity later. But of course you can go ahead and reroll, but once you reroll, it's still going to be in the same rarity as the one on the top. So once you go ahead and choose and then present trade, it's gonna take off a token. But if you go ahead and do on the same card, it doesn't work, of course, since it's gonna be a waste. But anyways, go ahead and press on trade, and it's gonna use up one of your tokens. And once you do so, it's gonna reset and give you another set of cards you can switch with. Other than that, there's also trading cards here in your clan, so you can go ahead and request what kind of cards you want. Press on request, and if you have enough tokens over here, you should be able to use it as long as you have the cards those other person wants. You can go ahead and communicate with them since it's going to have to be something they would want and would be worth it for them. But anyways, to go ahead and confirm that, and if it goes through, the token should be used up. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.